have been told these foods are healthy. Low-fat yogurt, soy milk, and that morning bowl of crunchy granola. But what if I told you these healthy choices might be secretly destroying your testosterone? If you're feeling tired, low on energy, struggling with low libido or muscle loss, your diet could be the silent culprit. In this video, I'll expose the 3 so-called healthy foods that could be lowering your T levels, and what to eat instead to naturally boost testosterone, regain energy, and feel like a man again. So, stay with me to the end, where I'll also share a powerful natural solution that thousands of men are using to restore hormonal balance. Let's dive in. First up, low-fat yogurt. Sounds healthy, right? High in calcium, good for digestion. But here's the problem. When fat is removed, manufacturers often add sugar or artificial sweeteners to compensate for flavor. These additives spike insulin levels, which can interfere with testosterone production. But that's not all. Testosterone is a fat-soluble hormone, meaning healthy fats are needed for its production. So eating low-fat everything can deprive your body of essential fats needed for hormone synthesis. Better alternative. Go for full-fat Greek yogurt from grass-fed cows. Rich in protein, healthy fats, and probiotics, all testosterone-friendly. Next, soy products. These are often pushed as a healthier alternative to meat or dairy, especially in plant-based diets. But soy contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, and studies have shown that high soy intake may reduce testosterone levels and even impact sperm quality. One study published in Fertility and Sterility found that men who consumed higher amounts of soy had significantly lower sperm counts than those who didn't. Better alternative. Swap soy for almond milk, oat milk, or hemp seeds, which offer healthy fats and protein without the estrogenic effects. Last, your healthy breakfast, granola or cereal. Despite being marketed as a great way to start your day, most granola and cereals are loaded with refined carbs and added sugars. This creates a blood sugar roller coaster that leads to increased insulin levels. Over time, elevated insulin can lead to insulin resistance, one of the hidden causes of low testosterone. In fact, men with type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome often have lower than normal T levels. Better alternative. Start your day with whole eggs, avocados, nuts, and lean meats, rich in cholesterol, protein, and healthy fats that support testosterone production. Today, millions of men, even in their 20S and 30S, suffer from low testosterone without even knowing it. Symptoms like fatigue, poor concentration, low sex drive, belly fat, and mood swings are often misdiagnosed or worse, ignored. But the truth is, lifestyle, diet, and stress are driving this decline. The good news: you can fight back. Here's a quick recap. The 3 healthy foods that could be harming your testosterone. 1. Low-fat yogurt. Go for full-fat Greek yogurt instead. 2. Soy products. Replace with almond milk or grass-fed protein. 3. Granola and cereals. Choose high-protein whole foods for breakfast. Want to naturally increase testosterone and reclaim your energy, libido, and drive? Check out the powerful ebook, The Mind-Body Connection. Enhancing sexual health through meditation and yoga. It's just $1 and packed with tips to balance your hormones, reduce stress, and supercharge your sexual health. Link in the description. And if you're serious about raising testosterone naturally, check out Testosterone, the all-in-one supplement that boosts T levels, increases energy, enhances libido, and even improves sperm motility. Its natural formula supports men at any age. Get Testosterone today, link below. Your hormones, your vitality, take charge today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Your body is a reflection of your daily choices, and testosterone is one of the biggest drivers of male health. Avoid these 3 foods. Eat smarter, live stronger, be the man you were born to be. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay powerful.